This is Tajammul Adil. Today I will discuss about Samsung Galaxy A04 which was released in August 2022. This smartphone has a touchscreen of 6.5 inches. An octa-core processor powered the Galaxy A04, 4GB RAM is included. Android 12 runs on Galaxy A04 which was powered by 5000 mAh battery. It's time for an unboxing. Plastic is used on the rear side which has a glossy finish, making fingerprints less noticeable. A flashlight and two ring type cameras are on the rear side which doesn't give the device a good look, it just comes normal. On the lower side you will find the USB-C port and speaker grill which houses a single speaker, mic hole and 3.5mm audio jack. The display features 720x1600 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. In terms of performance, you will get MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, which is a very famous processor. You will get it almost in every low-budget smartphone. The score for 3D Mark Slingshot Extreme is pretty low. In terms of daily use and multitasking, the performance is not good. Multitasking can sometimes cause a device lag issue. It works well for low-level tasks, but it is not suited for high-level tasks. When used normally, performance is good. According to Geekbench Benchmark testing, the Samsung Galaxy A04 scored 165.4 single core and 962 points for multi-core. Based on Geekbench results, you can compare its ranking and performance with the other models' results. On the Galaxy A04, Samsung has customized OneUI Core 4.1 which is based on Android 12 to be smooth even though the specifications are low. It is also possible to customize the UI according to your own preferences. It comes with Android 12 and Android Auto, which allows you to control the display of your car by reconstructing it and putting all the information you need in front of you. Discover how Android Auto can benefit you and how you can connect your car to your smartphone. When use an entry-level processor chip, the Unisoc SC9863A processor chip will offer enough fidelity in social play. The USB-C port is really cool and it comes with a charging cable as well. There is a 5000 mAh battery on the device which has been tested generally when used in the style of an office worker. It drains up to 37% after 1.5 days. However, it managed well. There is no way to run it for 2 days easily. Charging takes some time with the 10-watt charging system. Samsung Galaxy A04 comes with the Helio processor with 8 cores, which is a great choice. Helio P35 can run game easily. The Galaxy A04 has been tested with 5 different games. Since the Galaxy A04 is a low budget smartphone, it has a decent performance. It comes with some cool features like big battery, Dolby Atmos speakers and 50MP camera. I hope this video is helpful for those who are looking for low budget smartphone with the USB-C cable and with some good gaming experience. If you are looking for low budget smartphone, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.